सत श्रीकाल दोस्तों. Good evening everyone. We are live today with our ongoing series of Unistud talks with the universities across the world. ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ which is very high selling with the Indian students, Yorkville University. Now Yorkville University is very interestingly very near to Brampton, and it has a campus in Vancouver also. So Toronto or Vancouver, ਜਿੱਥੇ 60% ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, Yorkville University has campuses over there. So we will be today joined by a representative of Yorkville University Canada, and we will discuss all the requirements at the Yorkville Universities, all the features, the USPs, selling propositions at Yorkville University, what students they like to take, what are the scholarships available, what are the advantages of applying in these times, and what are the ongoing situations and any changes with the government policies or anything else. So we'll discuss all those things at length. We'll just wait for Mr. Vinayak. Mr. Vinayak would be joining us as a representative from Yorkville University. So I think he's joined here. Okay. He's joining us very soon, and we'll have the discussions with it. Hi, Mr. Vinayak, how are you?
I'm good. Good evening. How are you?
Good. Welcome to our Unistud series of talks with the universities. So we are bringing these live talks for the benefit of our students in the COVID time, so they understand the universities more, as they have more time, especially digitally, they have more time these days, and they can take advantage of the time to interact with the university representatives, know more about the universities, and ask any questions they want. So welcome to this channel, and I just request you to introduce the university to our students.
Thank you so much. First of all, it's a great initiative by INFACE that they are coming out with such great initiatives, coming live with universities to help students. So it's a very good initiative by INFACE. I really appreciate it. And just to introduce myself, my name is Vinayak Sharma, and I represent Yorkville University in India. And I'm so glad to be here today to discuss Yorkville in a bit of a detail and to give you a clearer idea as to what Yorkville University is all about. So without much further ado, let's begin. I'd like to tell you all that Yorkville University basically has two campuses in Canada, one in Toronto, the other one in Vancouver. So we at Yorkville University believe that empowering every student with the best quality education is our motto, and we at Yorkville believe that you carve your path at Yorkville University to achieve your purpose, and it is your university on the whole. So we take complete ownership of student success at Yorkville University.
Wonderful. So Yorkville University has a campus in Toronto as well as Vancouver. So if I am correct, more than 60% of the Indian students go to these two cities.
Absolutely, you're very right in saying that, because these are big cities. There are innumerable job opportunities available to students. Students really want to go to these cities, and the best part is that the average wage rate, the minimum wage rate, is quite high in both Toronto as well as Vancouver. Closely $14.75. So we'll count it as $15 as the minimum wage rate in both these cities.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you're sweetly placed between those two cities. And I've also known that your Toronto campus is quite near to Brampton, right?
Absolutely, yes. It is located in Concord, Toronto, which is very close to downtown Toronto. And as you mentioned, that it is very close to Brampton as well. So students don't find it difficult to commute to the campus, be it in Toronto or Vancouver. The Vancouver campus is very close to Surrey, which is where drive from Surrey. Generally, Indian students like to stay in Surrey because of the very influential Punjabi community staying there already. So students generally want to stay at Surrey, and we have our campus in New Westminster, which is a 30,000 square feet sprawling campus for students from all across the world. We have students from more than 70 countries studying successfully at Yorkville University.
So the students does not just only go to Canada, they study in a multinational environment, multicultural environment, where they get to meet people from all across the world. And to add to that, you got both the locations bang on among the Indian community there, Surrey as well as Brampton. So
Yeah.
wonderful to know that, and I'm sure that would be helpful to Indian students while they choose the right university for them. So, what are the major courses available with the Yorkville University?
Right. So I'll just take around 10-15 minutes to introduce Yorkville University completely to students. If I could take that at a stretch. So Yorkville University, basically the agenda for me coming live here with InFace today is to discuss why Yorkville University, why students should go to Yorkville. We'll also be discussing the demographics at Yorkville University, the student life overall in Canada and at Yorkville University. We'll also be covering the best points of Yorkville University and the programs that we have and their respective requirements as well. We'll also have a question answer session at the end of the session. So if you have any questions in the middle of the the session, you can very well mention it in the comment section, and we'll be more than happy to answer it collectively. So
Sure.
why Yorkville University is the best big question here. Students basically like to go to the best cities of Canada, as he very well mentioned that students generally want to. 80% students go to big cities in Canada, that is Vancouver as well as Toronto. So we have our campuses in both these places. The best part about Yorkville University, I would say, is the $10,000 scholarship. We give $10,000 scholarship to every Indian student coming to study at Yorkville University.
Oh,
With the help of
that's a huge
10,000
one.
Absolutely, yeah. With the help of this $10,000 scholarship, every student saves around 5 to 5.5 lakh rupees. We have a competitive fee structure at Yorkville University, wherein a student can save around 5 to 5.5 lakh rupees with the scholarship, and they can complete a full-fledged 4 years bachelor's degree in as low as $57,500 only at Yorkville
I
University.
I'll just interject here for the benefit of students that most of our Indian students like to go to smaller colleges over there. But with $10,000 scholarship, the fee of the university comes around the colleges, diploma programs. So it's a very good proposition to study in a bigger universities and have a better environment and infrastructure rather than going to smaller colleges.
Just to add to that, I would also like to say that when you have a university credential on your application, you get your visa quite easily. The visa success rate of a university is definitely better than a smaller college. And moreover, the visa officer can see that you're going for a full-fledged degree. Then you definitely
Right.
get your visa quite easily. Apart from that, we also give our students an opportunity to complete a full-fledged 4 years bachelor's degree in as low as 2.5 to 3 years. I'll tell you how that happens in a bit of a detail in the later part of the presentation, but I'd also like to share with you that we at Yorkville University accept IELTS, PT, TOEFL, Duolingo, IELTS Indicator. Pretty much all the English language tests are accepted at Yorkville University. Apart from that, if any student wasn't able to take their IELTS test or the PTE test because of the lockdown, you do not need to worry. You can still apply to Yorkville University for a conditional offer letter on the basis of your grade 12 scores, and you can submit your IELTS results later. Every student coming to study at Yorkville gets a postgraduate work permit as well. So you get a 3 years postgraduate work permit after completing your graduation at Yorkville University. If I have to talk about the demographics at Yorkville, I'd like to share with you that Yorkville has comprehensive state-of-the-art campuses in Vancouver, that is a part of British Columbia province, and in Toronto, that is a part of Ontario province. Apart from that, as I
Right.
told you, we have students from more than 70 countries altogether, and there are more than 2,000 students from India studying successfully at Yorkville University.
Wonderful. So you have majority undergrad courses, or you have any postgraduate courses also?
Well, coming to the programs that we have at Yorkville University, we just have undergraduate programs. So we basically have a program for every stream, be it a student from medical, non-medical, arts or commerce background. We have a program for you at Yorkville University. We have the Bachelor of Business Administration degree at Yorkville, which is again a professional degree program that enables students to get a starting salary package of around 40 to $50,000 after you graduate from Yorkville University. We have the
Right.
Journal BBA for commerce students available in our Vancouver campus. Then we have the Accounting Specialization BBA, again available in our Vancouver campus for commerce students. We have Energy Management Specialization for core medical students available again in our Vancouver campus. So any student having physics, chemistry, biology in their grade 12th can actually apply to Energy Management Specialization BBA available in our Vancouver campus at Yorkville University. We also have project management specialization in both our campuses in Vancouver as well as Toronto for students from non-medical background and commerce background. So project management can be taken up in any of our campuses, that is in Toronto or Vancouver, by non-medical students or commerce students. Last but not the
Right.
least, we have the supply chain management specialization BBA available in our Vancouver campus for art students, commerce students, and non-medical students. So supply chain management specialization BBA is also there.
So
It is again.
background you come from, it doesn't matter what background you come from. So there is a solution available at Yorkville University. You have a
Absolutely
wide variety of courses available. So
right.
as you mentioned, you have various IELTS or English testings that you accept. But what is the IELTS or English requirements? Because generally in Canada, the colleges or universities are very tough with the requirements. They want 6 in each section for the SDS program. So what are the
Right.
requirements at Yorkville University?
Before I get to the requirements, I'd like to discuss the other program also that we have. We have the
Sure, sure.
Bachelor of Interior Design degree. Yeah. So we have the Bachelor of Interior Design degree as well available in our Toronto campus. And the Bachelor of Interior Design degree is again a professional degree program for art students and non-medical students, which enables
Right.
students to get a starting salary package of around $60,000 to $70,000 after graduating from Yorkville University. It is not just another interior design degree. It basically has an integrated curriculum that includes the fundamental concepts of terminology of design, analysis of space. Students are also made to do designing on softwares like AutoCAD and Pro V, wherein they get complete knowledge of all aspects of interior designing, and it enables them to practice and study interior design anywhere in North America. So they can live and work in Canada, and they can also handle projects in US as well once they graduate from Buckville University. So every student upon graduation gets a 3 years postgraduate work permit, and the average salary structure, as I told you already, is around $60,000 to $70,000 after graduating from Yorkville. Now coming to the requirements, as you very well asked, well, the IELTS requirements to apply to Yorkville University are overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5. We also accept
Okay.
PT with a score of 58 overall for our Vancouver campus, and PT is also accepted in our Toronto campus with an overall score of 55. So the PT scores required at Yorkville are overall 58 for Vancouver campus and overall 55 for Toronto campus. We also accept Duolingo with a score of 85 to 100, and TOEFL is also accepted at an overall score of 80. So all in all the English language tests are accepted. Now coming to the academic requirements to apply to Yorkville. I'd like to
Right.
share with you that we require an overall aggregate percentage of 50% either in grade 12th or the 3 years diploma that the student has done after 10th. We at Yorkville University accept all state boards, National Open School, NWAC, GED. A student having a 3 years diploma after 10th is also accepted at Yorkville University. The best part is that we also accept students with a gap of up to 5 years. So if a student has cleared their grade 12th in, say, for example, 2016 or
2050.
2017, they can still apply to Yorkville University with a gap of up to 5 years.
That's quite a lot of relaxations. So that means I would like to add here अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा बताना चाहूँगा कि if somebody is having a 6 band or 6.5 band with 1 or 2 subscores of 5.5, it's better to apply in universities like Yorkville University than to apply in smaller colleges because then the visa success would be much better in a university. तो आप अपना टाइम वहाँ ना खराब करें जहाँ पे आपको वीजा चांसेस कम है एंड प्लस Yorkville is a
We
good
don't have your
university with
audio.
very affordable fee structure. So that should help. Uh, so that was my message for the university for the students that lesser 5.5 6 overall they should apply for Yorkville. Please go ahead. You were saying something.
Yeah, so I was just trying to add here that the visa success ratio, the visa success rate of Yorkville University is around 85 to 90%. So it's a great opportunity for every student to apply to Yorkville University and to make their career a great success. In the current COVID-19 scenario, we have waived off the application fee completely. So students do not need to pay anything to get an offer letter from Yorkville University. Plus, we have a quick turnaround time of 3 to 4 working days. So you get your offer letter within 3 to 4 working days. You don't need to keep waiting like other colleges and universities for a month or 1.5 months to get your offer letter. You get your offer letter within a quick turnaround time of 3 to 4 working days. Apart from that, the best part about Yorkville University is the location. We have our campuses in the prime location, and we're very reachable. Apart from that, we have affordable tuition rates at Yorkville University, and every student is eligible for a postgraduate work permit of up to 3 years at Yorkville University. So it's success.
Hi, sorry, there was a bit of disruption in between. Great. These are the wonderful things about Yorkville University. You told us the entry requirements are quite lenient, the gaps acceptable, and the English requirements are also lesser. So tell me something about the visa process these days. What is the information you're getting from the government? Now we understand it's a two-step process that students are getting EIP. So can you just explain a bit for our students what exactly an EIP is and how can they start the online education and how it should move forward?
See, I am not authorized to speak about the visa process because I'm not a registered immigration consultant. But I would definitely like to tell our students who've joined in today that Yorkville University has come up with a brilliant Head Start program wherein a student can start taking online classes even if you don't have a visa. So if you have the offer letter at Yorkville University, you can very well pay your first term tuition deposit and you can start taking your online classes. And if at all there is a visa refusal in the later part of your application, you'll get a complete refund from Yorkville University. Only $500 would be deducted as the administrative fee of Yorkville. Say, for example, a student has deposited the first year fee of BBA, that is $17,250 to Yorkville University. If there is a visa refusal, the student would get $16,750 back to their account, and only $500 would be deducted. That brings me actually to discuss the fee structure for both these programs. So the fee structure for BBA at Yorkville University is $67,500. And after reducing $10,000 scholarship that every student gets at Yorkville University, the effective fee comes down to $57,500. And while going from
Right.
India, the student needs to pay the first year fee, that is $17,250 to be paid from India. Rest of the fee can be paid term wise or semester wise. Apart from that, the
Right.
Bachelor of Interior Design degree has a fee structure of $86,625. And after reducing $10,000 scholarship that every student gets at Yorkville University, the effective fee again comes down to $76,625. And while going from India, the student needs to pay the first year fee for Bachelor of Interior Design. It is $19,158 to be paid from India. Rest of the fee can be paid term wise or semester wise once you're there in Canada, second year onward. So it is very convenient for students to manage their expenses while studying at Yorkville University.
Okay. So one of our students in comments is asking about, are there any co-op or internships along with these courses?
See, we have a very integrated program at Yorkville University. Both these programs are professional degree programs, and since a student is able to very well facilitate their part-time work also in terms of the 20 hours part-time work that every student gets at Yorkville University while studying there. So a student is very well able to facilitate that part-time 20 hours part-time work within that week, because a student is just required to come to the university for 2 days in 1 week and they have 5 days to themselves. So they can very well integrate a co-op program also within those 5 days. They have ample time to do those 20 hours part-time work also. They have ample time to do self-study as well as move around in Canada and to explore Canada as well. Because we have designed the curriculum in such a way, the timetable has been formulated in such a way that students just need to come to the university for 2 days in 1 week and all the classes happen in those 2 days. So that the student doesn't actually waste time just commuting to the university to attend one lecture in a day. We have designed the curriculum in such a way that student just needs to come to the university for 2 days in a week and they have 5 days to themselves. Apart from that, we have accelerated degree programs. as I told you in the beginning of the presentation, that students basically can complete a full-fledged 4 years bachelor's degree in 2.5 to 3 years. I'll tell you how that happens. We at Yorkville University have 4 intakes in 1 year. So one
Right.
semester at Yorkville University is of 3 months. We have four
Right.
intakes in 1 year, that is January, April, July, and October. So a student can complete 4 semesters in 1 year. We have total 10 semesters in a bachelor's degree. And if the student completes 4 semesters in the first year, 4 semesters again in the second year, in the third year, the student is just able to just 2 semesters are left to complete, and the
Right.
bachelor's
So
degree
they
gets
can
completed.
complete in 2.5 years.
Sorry?
So they can
Yeah,
complete
it
in
is
two and a half
completed. Absolutely. So the bachelor's degree is completed in 2.5 years. And even if the student wants to take breaks between terms, say for example, student comes to Yorkville University, studies for 3 terms in the first year, takes 1 term off, works full time 40 hours in that term, gathers a lot of money, enjoys holidays, moves around in Canada, comes back in the second year again to study 3 terms, takes 1 term off again, works full time 40 hours in that term. In the third year,
Right.
completes all the 4 remaining terms. Still, the student is able to complete their bachelor's degree in as low as 3 years. So it's a great
Right.
opportunity, especially for those
Wonderful.
students who were actually thinking about going for a diploma in either Vancouver or Toronto, where they would have
Right.
spent around $40,000 to $45,000 studying that 2 years diploma. Here at Yorkville University, they just spend around $10,000 to $12,000 more, and they get a full-fledged 4 years bachelor's degree in 2.5 to 3 years. Plus, the job opportunity, they get
Yeah,
to
I think we're
complete
having
their
some
bachelor's.
disruption. Plus, the students get a 3 years post-study work permit, right?
Yes.
And
So the
that makes
bachelor's
them more
degree,
employable.
yeah, the bachelor's degree gets them more points for PR. They get a better job opportunity after doing a bachelor's degree, a higher salary package. And all in all, it's a great PR pathway for all students, because a 3 years postgraduate work permit, first thing is that you get a 4 years study permit. Then you get a 3 years
Right.
postgraduate work permit. It is not a hard and fast rule to complete the bachelor's degree in 2.5 to 3 years. You get a study permit of 4 years while going from India, but it is an
Right.
added opportunity for all those students to complete the bachelor's degree earlier and be available to the job market quite early in their career. So the fee
Right.
structure would remain the same for students who completed in 4 years, 3 years, or 2.5 years. But it is a great value add wherein a student can complete their bachelor's degree quite early and be out there in the job market. They get their PR quite easily, and we have year-round start dates. So a student can choose their intake very judiciously, as well as they
Right.
can very well take upon when to study and when to take a break at Yorkville University.
तो सेफली हम यहाँ पे ये कह सकते हैं कि they can spend $10,000 to $12,000 overall on a 4 years degree, but the return on investment is much better. जो ROI इनको मिलती है पढ़ने के बाद, they get a job offer of $50,000-$60,000 per year, जो फर्स्ट ईयर में ही आपको पूरे 4 साल की फी वापस मिल जाती है, जो उनको किसी डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम करने पे नहीं मिलेगी. और अगर जॉब
Exactly.
ऑफर मिल जाती है तभी पीआर मिलेगी. अदरवाइज क्या होता है, one more point I like to add here is, suppose you've done a diploma from a local college around Brampton or somewhere, you don't get PR, so you move to Saskatchewan or Montreal and study again. So you actually end up studying, investing more than even in a university, and still not employable, still driving a taxi and still trying to get your PR. So if you compare all those things with the employability of a bachelor's degree program at a good university, I think Yorkville is a win-win proposition.
Just to add to that, I would also like to say that we are a university, but we function like a very grounded university, wherein we have a small class size of 15 to 20 students. It's not like other colleges and universities wherein 70 students are stuffed in a classroom and there is no student-teacher interaction. We at Yorkville University are very sure of the student strength, and only 15 to 20 students are there in each classroom, so that there is networking among students and their faculty. And we have experienced faculty which has rich corporate culture that really helps students to do networking in the industry as well. So it's all in all
Right.
a great value proposition for every student to study at Yorkville and to make their career a great success.
Right. Wonderful. So we've talked about the courses availability. We talked about the scholarships. Wonderful scholarships available. Overall $10,000 every year. on the overall course. We talked about the locations, wonderful locations in Toronto and Vancouver, and overall it seems to be a wonderful package studying at Yorkville University. So, in this COVID situation, I would say this Yorkville has come up with a wonderful solution of tuition fee refund guarantee scheme, where the students can start their course online and not be worried about the tuition fee if your visa is not granted, because there will be a refund of the tuition fee even if the visa is refused and even if you started. So I just urge our students to apply for the September intake, start your course online, even if you want to study 1 or 2 units now and wait for the time you want to fly. But that way they'll be able to save a lot of your life's precious months and years, because we don't know when the flights would start or when things would get normal. But if you and to add to that, if you've already started your online education, I think it affects the mind of the case officer also. Visa success gets even better because you are a serious student then.
Absolutely, yes. So the next available intake with us is October 2020. We are starting our online classes for October intake on 5th of October. The orientation is on 5th of October. And for students who want to apply as a new application, as a new applicant, I would suggest you can go in for the January intake. And because the students basically at Yorkville University, when they get an offer letter from Yorkville, their offer letter is valid for two intakes. So the January students, the offer letter would be valid for January as well as April intake. So it's a win-win situation for every student, because we came up with the online classes as soon as this COVID-19 situation stuck. So in March there was lockdown, and in April we had our first batch of students studying online. And the students who've been studying online from India, they've already completed 6 months of education, and they're so happy because they get recorded lectures. They don't have to stay awake till midnight. It is very convenient for them to stay with their family because they're safe at home. They're with their family, and their family is rest assured that our kids are safe. Plus, they're saving $1,000 every month that they would have spent on rent and basically on groceries and everything else if they were in Canada. And a student who's in Canada is also attending online classes only. So there's not much difference between a student who's onshore in Canada or in India attending online classes. So all in all, a great opportunity for every student to attend classes online and make their career a great success. And on top of it, save a lot of money as well, because $1,000 every month means around $5,000 to $6,000 have already been saved by students who have been taking online classes for 5 to 6 months. So they've saved 5.5 lakh rupees on the scholarship and around 3 to 3.5 lakh on the amount they would have spent on rent and everything else. So they've collectively saved around 8 to 9 lakh rupees. So all this opportunity is just given to you by Yorkville University.
Wonderful. Thank you for clarifying that. I think that makes a good sense that students can start their classes online and save a lot of money on tuition fee as well as the living expenses. Plus, add to the fact here that even if the students are able to fly, suppose in October or November, the jobs are not available as of now. Now, the COVID situation has taken away the jobs from the market. So better to start online here, save a lot of money on your accommodation and living expenses. And when the things get normal, you fly there, be safe, and go ahead with your careers. So thank you so much for clarifying all that. So I sum it up for the students that you can apply with a 5 years gap. You can apply with an overall 6 with individual 5.5 bands. You get wonderful scholarships. The locations are wonderful. So I don't see any reason the students should not be choosing Yorkville University to apply for the next available intakes and fulfill their dreams to study in Canada and be in Canada very, very soon. So I think the hope is there. The hope that the things are getting better every day. Although we see some tough news every day in India, but I think we are moving towards a situation where we will have a lot of herd immunity, say a month or so from now, and we hope that some medical breakthroughs are coming by the end of October. And once those are through, we will have some flights started very soon, and that's the hope we live with. Thank you so much for joining today. I wish all the best to our students. I urge the students to come up with the questions, contact our counselors. उनको कोई भी सवाल है किसी भी तरह का, they can contact our counselors through the messages at our Instagram. and we wish all the best to everyone. Thank you, Vinayak, so much for coming today and helping our
Thank you
students.
so much for having me here. It's a great pleasure to work so closely with Enphase, wherein you people have given us such great students already in the past, and looking forward to having more students from Enphase. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay home,
Thank you.
everyone. Stay
Signing
safe.
off here.
Thank you. Take care. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much.